Spray Nozzle people are looking for a new business development executive to join our expanding sales team. So first, a little bit about the company. We're a family-owned company that's been going for 20 years. We currently employ 25 people. So we are, in no stretch of the imagination, a huge mega corp. Our vision is to be the go-to people for our customers, suppliers, and above all, our employees. Now, what we mean by this is that we're much more than, this job is much more than being just about a paycheck. Working here is much more than just about the paycheck. Now, we achieve results by our, what we call our in it together philosophy. And by this, I mean we have a culture where our people, our customers, and our suppliers are like family. We look out for them, they look out for us. It's that simple. So if you're a hard-nosed go-getter that's looking to climb the corporate ladder at all costs, then this really isn't the place to work. If you want a place where you can grow, develop, become better, and make a positive contribution, you might like it here. Now, one of the things I'm most proud of is our commitment to our continued development of our staff. Now, this goes much deeper than in most companies, especially most companies of our relatively small size. We believe that personal growth, learning, and personal development are not separate objectives from profit. They are inextricably linked to each other, two parts of the same whole. You cannot do one without the other. You cannot have profit without this growth, personal growth. Now, if that philosophy resonates with you, it might be worth giving us a call. So, talking a little bit about the actual role itself, we're looking for technical salespeople to join our sales team and grow the sales of our spray nozzle and other fluid handling products. You'll be required to apply your engineering knowledge to solve customers' spray engineering problems. So the emphasis is very much on the technical rather than the sales. Now, don't get me wrong, this is still a sales and business development role, but it's very much technical solution selling. It ain't about hard closing and hassling customers for orders. It's about solving their technical problems. Now, unless you're in the business of spraying, spraying is probably not something you haven't really thought much about. Most people don't. But when you do start to think about it, spray technology is absolutely everywhere. And this is what's really exciting about this job. So one day you may be talking to a senior engineer at a large food processing factory talking about their chocolate spraying coating line. The next day it may be talking to a pharmaceutical company about their tank cleaning applications. The next day you might be talking to the local scrapyard about a simple dust suppression system. So it's very varied. Now, if you're like me and you have a genuine geeky kind of knowledge, interest in seeing how stuff is made and how stuff works, then this job will be a continual source of fascination for you. And that's what we're really looking for. People with that kind of geeky interest in solving technical problems for our massively varied customer base. If this sounds cool, then this might be the job for you. In this role, you'll be given a territory with a number of existing clients, and essentially the role is to grow the revenues in that territory. You grow that through getting more business from existing clients or attracting new clients, getting new business in. How you do this will be largely up to you. Now, we'll expect the successful candidate to work very closely with our marketing team to develop a marketing strategy for that territory. There's no imposed grand marketing scheme from on high that you have to adhere to. So you will be intrinsically involved in developing the actual marketing strategy that you'll be using to generate your leads. If you're uncomfortable with that responsibility, if you want everything laid out for you, set in stone, a fixed call plan and route map and key target accounts that you've got to get into, then this role actually isn't for you. We expect our people to come up with ideas and to work with other key staff in the business to generate plans that will help you achieve your objectives. Now, the upside of this is that you make your own plans, that you're in charge of your own destiny, and that you can make a valued contribution to the formulation of a successful marketing plan. The downside is well, you're responsible for this, so there's no kind of hiding. We want people that can come up with ideas and contribute ideas, not people that are just going to follow a plan that's imposed from on high. Some people, everybody says that they don't like to be micromanaged, but some people actually do. So before applying to this job, think carefully about whether you're one of those people or whether you're the kind of person that actually wants to come up with ideas and make plans and be responsible for those plans. And if you are, then it may be a good idea to get in contact with us. Now, all that being said, of course we will give you all of the support and training required. Obviously, we'd be looking to hire someone with it would be great to hire someone with an in-depth knowledge of spray nozzles, but that's a pretty rare specialist skill. So realistically, what we're looking for is someone with general experience in fluid handling systems. You could have experience with pumps, filters, valves, or any other kind of fluid processing system. And if you have experience in any of our core industries, which are chemical, petrochem, food processing and water and general manufacturing, if you've got knowledge selling to those sectors, that'll be handy as well. Ideally, we want someone with an engineering, chemistry or a physics degree, but honorary degrees from the School of Hard Knocks are also very acceptable. There's no substitute for actual industry experience. So, if all of this sounds like fun, if the opportunity to apply your engineering knowledge to solve a wide variety of spray engineering problems is interesting, if you're up for taking that responsibility I talked about earlier, and you want to own your own success, then please apply below. You can read the full job spec and salary details and all of that stuff. I won't waffle on about them here, so please click below, and I hopefully look forward to seeing you in an interview at some stage in the future.